Max. Come here.
Can I have an M&M?
Hey,
Please?
Max.
Okay. Yeah?
We gotta go get
You gonna dance? Come here, come here, come here.
Hey, Max, let's do Gangnam Style.
Oh. Daddy's watching. He's looking.
See, and look at, he's all cool because he didn't use the whammy bar. I can do that.
Max, where's your microphone? Are you gonna sing with Daddy?
Here.
No?
Here.
Down, down, down. Daddy's watching. No, 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 no.
Don't touch me.
Go, buddy. Daddy's paying attention, guys. Hey. Whoa, dude. Are you dancing? Daddy sees you. Where's Mama?
See, he doesn't care about anything else. When you're in the middle of something, you gotta be right there. Better be watching him too, every second.
I know. Daddy.
Max.
You're having a seizure, Max?
Daddy's watching, baby.
He can also do
Yeah.
something else that I can't do. On this, there
Don't touch.
are really close notes that you don't have to strum for, that you just move your fingers.
Oh.
I have to strum. I
Right.
can't just move.
Woo! Get down. Down, down, down.
You know what I'm buying your son now because he's into Johnny Cash. You know? Come on
Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah. Don't touch right now. Yeah, Daddy playing? Yeah? I know. Careful, Max. Don't get too close, please.